Go.
Hi guys, I am at the Amazon rainforest, aka park. I'm with my sister and my nephew. They're at the whatever it's called. And I'm going to get off the giraffe. Come on.
Ryan, I'm not my. Yeah, talk to them.
Okay.
Take it. Take them along.
So we're going to go on a journey. This is the Amazon rainforest. Just so you can know. Let's go. This is going to be the hard part. Climbing on this. Hold on. Wait. Climbing on this thing. With the camera in my hand. Try to do it. I can't do it. Never mind. I'm not going to try that. It's going to be dangerous. Let's do we explore with something hard. So, this park is a maze. Practically, almost, yes. It's almost a maze. I'm pretty sure this is a maze because last time I saw start, finish of the park. I don't know if they painted it, changed it. Let's go down the slide. Now, let's go here. We're going to go to the telescope, see what's going on. I don't think you guys can see. It's wet. I don't know why. But in human, it's perfectly fine. Anyway, let's go down the slide now. Ready? Set. Go! And okay, so we're going to maybe scare one of my family members. I'm a prankster. Okay. So, oh my God, a butterfly! God help mosquitoes. They're out already. I don't want to get. Hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi guys. Surprise mom, Carol.
They already know what they look like.
And she does have supervision at the park.
Where's JD? Okay.
You have to be careful with the camera.
Okay. I will see you next time. Bye guys. Peace out.